In today's video, I'm going to give you a full beginner's guide to the Nova GDPR cookie consent Shopify app. So let's get right into it. The first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is click on the install button here. Once you've done that, you should be brought to a page that looks something like this, and you want to go ahead and click the install button. At this point, you should be brought to the setup guide, and the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is follow this. So first of all, we've just installed the app here, we've done that. Next up, we're going to have to customize and preview. And to do that, we're going to go here and just customize this banner here. So first things first, we want to turn this on, which enables the banner on the store. And then next up here, we have the text message here. So on the text message, we can type whatever we want. And it's also going to add a learn more here. So you can be like, we collect cookies, you can write whatever you want in there. But I would recommend just to leave it as it is, because this is a pretty good one and people aren't really going to read this. So just click got it. Then here you're going to put your privacy policy URL. So you can go ahead and grab that and just paste that link in there, and it should be there by default. You've also got the OK button, which is this here. And you've got the learn more, which is going to be that one there, and it's going to have a link. Now you can also turn this on or off for just EU countries if you want to. So show banner for just EU countries. Turn that on or off depending on what you want. So once you've done that, we're going to go to the next bit, which is the design settings. So you've got your color designs. So what color do you want the banner? What color do you want the text? The link, the buttons, button text, and the button border. Now once you've gone ahead and actually done all that, you can go ahead and just press save here, and it should be ready to go. Now we should be able to go over to our store now and see the cookie consent pop-up. If we can't see the pop-up, we're going to have to go ahead and enable the app on Shopify. So to do that, we can go ahead to our store, go to where it says online store on the left hand side, just wait for it to load, and then we're going to go ahead and click on the customize button, which is around here. There we go, click customize, and then on the left hand side we're going to go ahead and turn the app on. So go to app embeds here, and then here's the app here. You want to turn it on just like this, press save, and then you should be able to go ahead and refresh it, and it should pop up once it's loaded on the store. So you see there we go, the pop-up bar actually works, and you can press got it. Now you can see here I've actually got a different app which kind of clashes with it, so make sure that you have turned other apps off that might clash with this. So that's just this one here. Or maybe just move the location just so that you can actually click the button, as you can see. And it's really as simple as that. If you do need any help with it, you can click on the start live chat button here. And this is going to go ahead and refer you to their team. But if you have any other questions, you can also ask us down below in the comments. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped.